implants are currently the best option for long-term tooth replacement. When properly maintained with excellent brushing and flossing and regular dental checkups twice a year, an adequately restored dental implant can last a lifetime. Scientific studies have shown that a patient can expect an implant to last at the very least 25 to 30 years. However, there are multiple factors that can make this time projection longer or shorter. Some of the factors that affect how long a dental implant will last depend largely on the patient's lifestyle and, as mentioned before, overall oral hygiene routine. That technology of dental implant design and manufacturing has become so advanced over the years that implant failure due to rejection or functionality issues have largely become issues of the past. Pre-existing medical conditions, diseases, implant misuse, and lack of proper oral care are more likely factors that may shorten the lifespan of a dental implant.